Kuro Buta pork chops. I'm buying this because I'm finally gonna make Katsu Sando. Sando is short for sandwich. Some shiro pan, which is Japanese for white bread. Shiro being white, pan being bread. You've got to get the white bread for Katsu Sando. Some panko, which is Japanese for breadcrumbs. Some beef tallow because why not? It's the best thing to deep fry your food in. You need a lot of these. I usually order these online, but we're out. Guess 4 will have to do. The bulldog tonkatsu sauce. There's just no replacing this. Gotta get cabbage for that thin and sliced cabbage that goes on the sandwich. Some Japanese eggs. These are my favorite. Let me grab these ones. Actually, let me grab in the back. Obviously, you can use any eggs. This is just for the breading of the tonkatsu. But if you've ever bought these eggs, the egg yolks are beautiful. So in addition to this dish, scrambled eggs, any kind of egg dish, the magic is in the egg yolks. And look what I found. See, this is why you gotta check your eggs. It's broken. No broken ones. All right. Japanese beer, Asahi specifically. Whenever I'm eating any kind of foreign dish, or especially Japanese food or Filipino food, I try to pair the beer with the food. So Japanese dish, Japanese beer. Let me know if you do the same thing too. Time to cook. By the way, Wajimaya, Japanese grocery store in Seattle. Check it out. Breaded the pork cutlets with the panko. I'm about to deep fry it in that beef tallow. There we go. Just gonna put 3. The key is to not overfill it. I'll do 2 at first. Katsu's done. White bread's ready. Cabbage salad. Soak it in ice cold water. 45 minutes. Rinse it. Drain it. Tonkatsu sauce. And the secret ingredient, a little bit of mustard. Don't even toast it. It's better. It's just like this. Tonkatsu right on top. A little bit of QP. It's just gonna help it stick. It's gonna add decadence. Probably some MSG. A little bulldog sauce. Not traditional, but adds a little crunch. Little secret. Japanese mayonnaise, which is like Chinese mayonnaise. But I only have Dijon, so just gonna add a little bit of a kick. That goes really nicely with the katsu. A little more sauce. Just like Japan. Katsu Sando at home.